Myself, Ganesh. Today we'll discuss about high CPU utilization. You need to get alert playbooks. How to write Ansible playbook code using high CPU utilization. We'll see in the session. If Java process or IHS process more than 80% or more than 60%, you will get alert notifications. How to get that alert notifications? How to get alert notifications? We'll see in the playbook. We are using Ansible playbook via SMTP protocols. See, in earlier we are using Ansible playbook. Yes, you why utilization report not generating. System seed. If not generating, we need to start forcefully by using this command. Systemctl start. Next, we need to alert every 10 minutes. We need to get CPU utilization alert. More than 10 minutes, more than 60% usage, we will get alert. See, like, so here, so for this, we have created the playbooks, etc. Ansible playbooks. Here, this is CPU disk space alert. Okay, for this, okay, CSU hyphen CD etc system D system vim CPU alert dot service. For this, it will now we can remove the uptime and we need to use this is the uptime report copied and now changed CPU disk space alert dot YML and reloaded history. If you forgot the command, we need to use history. This command 241 exclamatory 241 and now we can use restart the timer. Okay, systemctl restart CPU alert dot timer, system CTL, list icon timers, and how much timer is there? CPU only 4 minutes time left. Okay, like this. Now I will explain the Ansible playbook. What is the content in the disk space utilization report? Alert, disk space and CPU alert. Vim CPU hyphen disk space alert. See, this is a very important disk space. Disk space is host is all you can use all host mentioned in the inventory file. Okay, and gather, and this is the VAS admin of more than 60% of CPU utilization. It will get alert notification by using SMTP protocols. See, this is the mail and this is the mail address. Okay, this is the password you can use in the production. You can use Vault in the password. And the task, what is the task we have performed means we have checked the CPU utilization for Java and IHS processes and PID also we can mention. If no process, we can use no process is there. You see, information, no process mentioned. Okay. And we are using alert CPU alert dot txt also we need to send. This is the send a mail dot py is the one of the Python script. We need to send the mail notification using Python scripts. I will explain what is the this is the Python script, and we need to declare the libraries, and we need to write from emails like this: host name and port number, user password and address, and two address and subject body and report, and everything need to be mentioned here. And email is successfully sent or not, it will trigger. And we can use Ansible hyphen playbook hyphen I inventory file and the WebSphere.yml and use CPU underscore disk space alert.yml, checking the disk spaces. And the CPU only main focus on this is only CPU utilization, only main focus in this. See, main focus information. No servers found more exceed 60%. Okay, like this in the real time also, not here same, but real time we can change the IP address and other things. This is the host. This is my host. In the real time also, same it is mentioned here. See information it is mentioned. Okay, like this. What is the date and the time? Everything mentioned here. Okay, this is the time. Okay, like this in the real time also same, but small change only. Okay, so here more than 60% or more than 90%, more than 75%, more than 75. Okay, See, check now how many servers are there in more than 75% of CPU utilization. We need to verify based on the playbook. We already tested in the environments, in the production lower environments, development and quality of product and pre-production and production were tested already. This is my sample test server. Okay, this is my sample test server. We need to test the all playbooks before going to the production. My production server is this one. My production server is my production server is this is my production server. This is the my production server. I will make. I will show you. This is this is my production server. You cannot touch this. See my Java process. How much the percentage stick? We are this still not configure Ansible playbook in the production. We will configure tonight Ansible server, and we can run the timer on this in this playbook. And the production we can verify today night or tomorrow. We can configure Ansible on the production servers, and we can run the timer on this also. We need to send notification via mails. We need to send see no Java and IHS process exceeds 70% of CPU utilization. This is the date and time is there. See, okay, like this. This is every 10 minutes. This is running every 10 minutes. We need to run the every 10 minutes. It will be running every 10 minutes. It is up and running every 10 minutes. Okay, we configure production server also. PS-F pipe symbol grep Java. Java process is running fine. PS-F pipe symbol grep HDDPD. IHS process also running fine. No issues. You cannot touch. Okay, and one more thing, we need to verify log analysis report also is there. Log analysis report. I will show you what is the log analysis report. I will change the title also. See, log analysis report. I will show you what is the log analysis report. In the log analysis report, advanced WebSphere log and they become true. And WebSphere log pattern is exception or error and severity out of memory issues, SSL handshake and connection refused and FFDC and serve and WebSphere directory and path and a debug and profile is matched greater than 0. It will be written here. Okay. This is the profile path, base path. Okay. No lags found. If no lags found, no lags found in the source. And analysis the logs pattern. This is the logs pattern. And if any errors, we can ignore. So here, Ansible playbook logs underscore analyze.yml. It will display output in the screen. See, SSL handshake issues. The connection refused is there. In upcoming, we need to send report via PDF format and send to the client. See, we need to verify each and everything. See, this is the errors are there. See, errors, log analysis, exception to create deployment manager, everything we need to analyze logs by using here. See, and this is the error reports. See, error details may seen in the log. Sync node is not coming. See, this is the error. So 26 first January 1st, we are getting error. Okay. This is the thing we are at log analysis. This is the way to analyze the logs in multiple servers. Not only this is only one server. In future, we have 100 servers. We can analyze the logs. This is the server. And we are getting error log also is there. This is the log information. Like this, we need to verify for our understandable language only. We need to create the Ansible playbooks. See here Eclipse error. Last 10 days logs only it will displays. 10 to 15 days logs only it will display. Okay. Last 10 to 15 days log only it will display. This is FFDC logs. Okay. This is FFDC logs. And see here SSL handshake issue is there. And out of memory issue is there. We can see here in this graph refused, connection is refused, and out of memory issues, out of memory error, and SSL handshake and connection refused also is there in the FFDC log only display. This is the part. Okay. This is the thing. We need to verify clearly in this log. See, this is the log file. Audit log is there. In the audit log, it will be used. Okay. Okay. Audit log also is there. In this log, audit purpose, we can generate the logs. Any issues are there in the server, any harmful is there, we need to generate the audit log. We can see entire thing. Now go to here. PS hyphen F pipe symbol grep HTTPD IP space here. Now my servers, I will be starting my servers. I will starting my servers. WebSphere start server .yml and IHS underscore start .yml. I am starting the servers. We have analyzed the logs also this way, and CPU utilization also, disk space and CPU utilization. Everything need to manage using Ansible playbook. We need to get alert notification also based on the report. See, alert report, disk space utilization. By using service account, we need to get alert report. See, next time I will configure my production service. Next time I'll configure my production service. See, CPU utilization report. See, no Java process more than 75%. See, I will zoom it. I will zoom the screen. I will zoom the screen. You see, no Java process or IHS process exceed 75% because my servers are not running. I will start my servers and I will run the Ansible playbook for this servers. Okay, and I will check how many servers are there more than how many services are there more than 75%. We will check based on the report only. I am starting my server. Many services are there more than 75%. We will check based on the report and check. Yes, upon your pipe symbol grep HDBD. I will start IHS. It is already seen running. See, that was the thing. Ansible playbook is failed. Okay, now it will see /opt IBM HTTP server and a bin admin CTL and start. See, it will remove the process ID CD OPT IBM HTTP servers under the logs RM space F, and this also can remove this. You can verify now. Yes, it's working fine. No issues reported. This is the way to start the services manually or Ansible playbook. For IHS. Now we are configuring conf. We need to start admin CTL also, right? Open Vim admin passwords as ADM is there. Vim admin dot 8008. Yes, but why not started? Admin CTL and start PS-U pipe symbol graph. Yes, started. Because my timer is running. My timer is running on a Ansible server. That is the thing. Okay. Every 10 minutes, my timer is running. This playbook includes how much performance is there in a middleware, in administrator, in servers. We need to verify the requirements.yml includes this. Okay. And now we will see servers are running. Now how much disk space utilization is there? CPU disk, CPU only, only CPU processing unit, only CPU disk. Only See, see, no Java process or IHS process exceed 75% of CPU utilization. I will zoom it. I will zooming it. See, like this, we can configure your environment also in easy way. Cannot go to Dynatrace or cannot go to Splunk. How much CPU utilization? Directly we have Ansible playbook is there. We have used this Ansible playbook and we have to monitor your servers like this. Still now, till now, till now, till now, we have configured the till now we have configured the uptime report generation using Ansible playbook and that Ansible playbook assign the timers, assign the timers, assign the timer. The timer will runs. That timer will runs every 10 minutes, every 10 minutes using the SMTP protocols, SMTP protocols and port numbers. Port number is 587. 587 is the port number and the host and I on host send address, comma, user and etc. Same like way, disk space utilization, disk space utilization using Ansible playbook. And third one is WebSphere start and stop services using Ansible playbook and configure a bash rc configuring .bash rc using Ansible playbook. We need to configure alias configured alias of the paths of the WebSphere paths. This is the real-time task we are performing. Perform the real-time task. Bash RC is the most important. I will show you what is the Bash RC. This is my server alias. See, this is the Bash RC. This is the Bash RC configurations. Okay, and go to here cd vim dot bash rc. We need to configure this. We need to configure bash rc. In the bash rc, we need to include This file, what is the this file includes? We need to enter all commands, and we need to configure path also. In WebSphere paths and IHS path also we need to mention. So this is the real time issues we're configuring. And IHS start and stop services also configured using the Ansible, Ansible playbook. Later configured the CPU utilization report more than more than more than 75% of CPU need to get alert to notification via SMTP protocols and configure at the service unit and timer configurations. This is the this is and service unit and timer is the advanced concept of the cron jobs, and there are three types are there. First one is cron jobs. Next one is service unit and a timer. Third one is Python Python scheduler. This is the three major things in the real time scenarios. These three are most important. For this, we need to install. For this, we need to install. We need to install yum mail utilities, and some modules. We need to install the root user only. In the Ansible playbook. In the Ansible playbook. Later, seventh one, configured and prepared the log analysis script. Logs means log, that is WebSphere Logs Analysis report via Ansible playbook, and errors are displayed in the screen. In this playbook, errors, severity, and out of memory issues, and connection timeout, and transaction timeout, and server down issues, server reboot issues, and misconfiguration issues. Everything captured from the logs and displayed in the screen. This is the evidence I will shown, right? This is the till now we have learned this Ansible playbooks. Till now, this is the Ansible playbook. Okay, till now we are running this. This is the playbooks we are learn the Ansible class. So I will run one more time. Logs underscore analysis analyze.yml. I will run one more time. What errors are there? I will show you in the practically. See, SSL handshake issue is there. See, this much of out of memory and SSL handshake is there. Connection refuser also is there. This is FFDC log. It will shows out of memory issue and SSL handshake. See, this much of this is the server status dot log. Okay, this is the server status dot log. Okay, this is the M time also mentioned here. This is the server status. This is the server status log. This is the permissions 644. Okay, this is the this is VAS ADM is the account user. VAS ADM is the user. Okay, server 2. This is server 1, server 2, and this is the server 3 verified. Summarize the logs. See, summarize the logs means we are performing here grep server 2. Okay, in this backup config.log also is there. Grab like this, we can grab the servers and display any errors. It will display in the screen. This is the automate. This is the automation of the log analysis report. This is the automation. We need to go to the Dynatrace. We need to monitor the Splunk. This is the evidence. If Dynatrace and Splunk not works, this is the evidence to generate the report via why every 10 minutes or every 3 hours, every 4 hours we need to mention based on the projects. Okay, and this is a tracking purpose also we can use. See, this is the error. What error? System cannot create the soap connector of this port number 8879. Okay. So like this, each and everything. What is the date and time? This is 22 December 2024. So each and every log we need to get, we need to sort out based on the playbook. We need to start out. We need to sort out based on the log and we can display. 12, 10, 2025, 2025, 10th December, 10th October. But we need to, according to your own playbook, we need to prepare that and last 10 days logs, last 15 days logs, last 30 days logs, we need to analyze based on the playbook only. We need to design. See, we are logs. See, 31 December, we got error is there. This is the error. Java.lang.reflect configuration caused by this is the error. Connection not available exception. Okay, like this, we need to use Ansible playbook. See, January, 1st January, we got error. So, connector error is a 8880. Okay, like this, we need to display error in the screen using the log analysis script. Like this is the error reports. See, and what is the error? Yeah, same. Soap connector error. search. This is the code. You can search from internet and we can perform the operations. See, okay, like this. We need to design the playbook according to your requirement. And log in the Ansible server. Yes, use space. VAS stadium, CD, etc, systemd, system, systemctl, list of timers are running. Currently, it will show the screen. This is only 2 minutes left. This is 2 minutes. I just start and stop. If this is not or if this is not required, you can use systemctl stop. That's it. Say like this. You can use like this also. This also same. If not required, we can stop it. No, no issues. No objection for this. See, like this, you can use only four playbooks only it will run. One is disk space, uptime report, CPU utilization. Only three playbooks only it will run. So only three playbooks only run. Yeah, like this, we need to design your playbook according to your project requirements. Okay, don't confusion here. See, more than 85% only it will get alert notification. Production. Or you can design the like this. Said etc, Ansible, playbooks, Vim, CPU, and info. This is the report. This is my mail password. This is my mail password. In production system, you can use Vault for production vault.yml. You can mention the username and password. Use encryption method. Use encryption method for generation, and then you can use here. 587 is the SMTP protocol. This is my SMTP username. Okay, and this is my SMTP password. This is the address generation. This is the to address and from address. This is the from address. This is the to address, and this is the CPU utilization. And this is the shell is the module. Shell is the module. Check the CPU utilization. Okay, and register is the module. High CPU process and the changer is false and alert notification alert build alert. Okay, like this alert message. If process is more than 80%, it will get alert like this. No Java process. Okay, now it will get alert notifications. Okay, this is way to design your playbooks according to your project requirement. Okay, thanks for watching. Please share to your friends and family members.